Today we'll do page number 74 of Grammar Starter book. This is unit 16. Do you ride a bicycle? And we are discussing topic simple present yes no question. So student, we know the rule of making simple present yes no question. So simple present yes no question always begin with do or does. Then we write the pronoun and then we write the verb. And we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Now student, question begin with do for pronoun I, you, we, you and they, and question begin with does for pronoun he, she and it. Now student, there can be two answers for the same question. If we agree with the question, then there will be positive answer, and positive answer begin with yes. Then we write a pronoun and at the end we write do or does. So we write do at the end of the positive answer for the pronoun you, I, we and they, and we write does with the pronoun he, she and it. Now student, we do not agree with the question, then we give the negative answer. And negative answer always begin with no, then we write pronoun and at the end we write don't or doesn't. Again rule is same, we write don't with pronoun you, I, we and they, and we write doesn't with pronoun he, she and it. Now we'll do the exercise. So student, we have to look at the picture. If picture matches with the question, then we will give the positive answer. If picture doesn't match with the question, then we will give the negative answer. So let's begin. Answer the question correctly. Question number 1. Does he watch television? We can see a man watching television. So we'll give the positive answer. Yes, he does. So if question begin with does, then we have to write does at the end of the positive answer. And if question begin with do, then we have to write do at the end of the positive answer. Question number 2. Do Danny and Lima read history books? We can see that they are reading English book. So we'll give the negative answer. No, they don't. They read English books. So for pronoun they, we have to write don't. We are writing pronoun they because Danny and Lima are two people, and for two people we use pronoun they. So answer will be no, they don't. They read English books. Question number 3. Does she do the laundry? We can see a girl singing, listening the music. So we'll give the negative answer. No, she doesn't. She listens to music. So first we have to give the negative answer, then we have to give the correct answer. What the person is doing. Question number 4. Do you play volleyball? We can see a girl holding a volleyball in her hand. So we'll give the positive answer. Yes, I do. She is holding a ball in her hand. So we'll give the positive answer. We can see. So we'll say yes, I do. Because in question pronoun you is there. Do you play volleyball? So pronoun you will change into pronoun I in the answer. Question में अगर you pronoun है तो आंसर में I होगा. So first question is, does he watch television? Answer, yes, he does. Question number 2. Do Danny and Lima read history books? Answer, no, they don't. They read English books. Question number 3. Does she do the laundry? Answer, no, she doesn't. She listens to music. Question number 4. Do you play volleyball? Answer, yes, I do. Now we'll do the B exercise. Unscramble the words. So we have to arrange the word in the proper order to make the question or we. So let's start. Natasha and you bicycle ride do. So we always know that we begin question with do. So we write do. Then we'll write Natasha and you ride bicycle. Do Natasha and you ride bicycle. It is bicycle, so you add s at the end. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E-S. Number 2. Water drink does the horse. So we'll arrange it. First we'll write does the horse drink water? Because first we have to write do or does, then we'll write the noun or pronoun, then we write the verb. So in this sentence, first we write the does, then we write the noun, the horse, then we write the verb drink water. Number 3, Daniel does in the sea swim. So first we will write does, then we write the noun, name of the person Daniel, then we write the verb swim in the sea. Number 4, do to the park, go the students. Now first we write do, then we'll find out the noun. So in this sentence, the student is there. So we write the students, then we write the verb go to the park. Do the students go to the park? So first question is, do Natasha and you ride bicycles? Question number 2, does the horse drink water? Question number 3, does Daniel swim in the sea? Question number 4, do the students go to the park? So you complete page number 74 of your grammar starter book. That's all for today.